Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to construct an optimal binary search tree. In the previous video, I explained why we will construct this optimal binary search tree. BST is enough, but why should we construct this OBST? That I explained in previous video. If you have not seen, so please watch that video. I have given binary search tree introduction also. Okay, let us start to construct optimal binary search tree. To construct this, we have to remember some formula. So those I will write here now. So we have to find out the values, like weights we have to find out, cost we have to find out, and what is the root node we have to find out. Okay, so now suppose these things we have to calculate. So one table we will represent. In that table we have to calculate W, that means weights, cost, and the root node. Now let us see what are the formula here we will use. C of I comma I, row number and column number, or both the indexes are same, then we have to write 0. Now root of I comma I, both are equal here, so then also it is 0. Now W of I comma I, again that means W00, okay, W01 or W11, W22, W33 is nothing but Q of I. And then R of I comma J. See, both are same, then we will write 0. If both are different, R of I comma J is nothing but K. What is this K? This K we will get from Cij. We will write that. So now Wii we have written, that means both indexes are same. If both are unequal, then Wij equal to Wi comma j minus 1 plus P of j plus Q of j. This is Wij. That means if both are same, Qi. If both are different, so we have to apply this formula Wij. Okay, both are same completed, both are different completed, both are same completed, both are different completed, both are same completed. Now if both are different, C of I comma j equal to minimum of I less than k less than or equal to j. Minimum of what? Minimum of C of I comma. So here k value in between I and j, which is equal to j also. So I comma k minus 1 plus C of k comma j. Don't worry, if we practice the problem, then you can easily remember this formula. Okay, so now, so what we have to calculate? So cost, weight, root, CWR. Or you remember like this, first W we had to calculate, after that you have to calculate C, after that you have to calculate R. Why? Because R value you will get from K. From where you will get K? From C. So that's why from C. How will you calculate C? Cost. So cost is this formula. Okay, so now one table we have to represent. What is that table? So in this example, how many keys are there here? N equal to 4. So that's why here what we have to represent is, I am representing suppose this represents I value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now this is I value. What we have to mention here, it is j minus I equal to 0. J minus I equal to 0. That means here you have to, what I said, we have to calculate WCR. So WCR, 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 WCR. What are the indexes for this? The indexes here are, so now you have to consider this ij we will write now. I value here it is 0. Okay, I value here it is 0. Okay. Now what we have to consider here, it is j minus I equal to 0. For what value of j minus I will become 0? So here 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0. I am explaining for this. So here what is the value of I? I value here it is 1. So I value here it is 1 means 1, 1, 1. Now what is the j value you have to consider? J value you have to consider in such a way that this j minus I equal to 0. J value, here it is 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. These values you have to calculate. Now, I value is 2. Now, what is the j value you have to consider? For which value of j, total value equal to 0. That means j minus I equal to 0. Here it is 2. W22, C22, R22. Or directly what you have to do is simply 0, 1, 2. Now here it is 3. Increment the value. 3, 3, 3. You will get R. Now here I value 4, 4, 4, 4. Now here j value 3 you have considered. Increment that 4. Okay. So now j minus I equal to 1. Now j minus I equal to 1. Next j minus I equal to 2. J minus I equal to 3. J minus I equal to 4. Okay. Again for this W, C, R. I value is 0. For what value of j you will get? J minus I equal to 1. 1. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. C 0, 1. Now see, here I and j are equal. That means these three formula we have to use. Here I and j are different. Then this formula, and this formula we have to use. Total 6 formula. Okay. Now W, C, R. I value is 1, 1, 1. What I said? Just increment. 2, 2, 2. That's it. Next. W, C, R. I value is 2. Here it is 2 na? Increment it. 3 minus 2, 1 you are getting. Okay. Okay. So now W, C, R. I value 3. Go to next location. 3, 4. C, 3, 4. R, 3, 4. These values we had to calculate. Now here you can go 5, but 5 is not there, up to 4 only. That's why we will not calculate it. Okay. Now similarly W, C, R. Okay. So for that I value 0. For what value of j you will get 2. So for 2. Yeah, 2 minus 0 is 2. W02, C02, R02. You have to calculate. Now W, C, R. I value is 1. Go to next number. Simple. W, C, R. I value is 2. Go to next number. That's it. Hope you understand, students, how to represent this table. Okay. After that, just substitute the values in the formula based on the given values. You will get it. Okay. Now, W, C, R, 0. Here it is 2, na? 3 you will get 0, 3. Okay. Now, W, here it is 1. Increment. Up to 4 only you will get. Here up to 4 only. There is no 5. That's why we are not representing. C14, R14. Now, next one. The last one. W04, C04, R04. Okay. Now, we will calculate. Now, let us start. So, what we have done till now? First, we have written the formula. Yeah. Now, what here we have done? First, we have written the formula. First, we have written the formula. Okay. After that, we represented the table. Now, we will substitute the values in the formula so that we will get this. Okay. So, this is your step 1 and this is your step 2. Step 3 is a simply tree construction, OBST. Simply tree construction. That's it. Okay. So, right. Now, see, if both indexes are same, W0, 0, Q of 0. What is I here? 0. So, Q of 0, WIA, Q of 0. What is Q of 0? So, here you will get 2. Here Q1. This is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. 3, 1, 1, 1. If both are same, C0, 0, 0, R0, 0, 0. That's why here the values are zeros. Both are same, na? II, 0. Both are same. Both are same. Both are same. Now, let us start the next row. Okay. Yeah, now we will construct or we will calculate this W01, Z01. I and J are different, na? These formula we have to use. So, now see, here I will write W01. W01 is W of, this is I and this is J. Wi, J minus 1. J is 1, J minus 1 is 0. Plus P of J. P of J. J value is 1. Here I equal to 0, J equal to 1. P of J. P of J means P of 1. What is P of 1? P1, 3. Plus, next Q1. What is Q1? This is Q0 and this is Q1. It is 3. What is W00? W00 already we calculated. It is 2 plus 3 plus 3, which is nothing but 8. So, W01 is 8. Okay. So, now how to calculate C01? This C01. So, C01 equal to minimum of 0 less than K less than or equal to 1. Then what are the possible values for K? K equal to 1 only. Okay. So, minimum of C of I means 0, comma, K minus 1. K is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. C0, 0 plus C of Kj. C of Kj. K is 1. 1, comma, J. J value is also 1. Here only this. There is no need of writing minimum. So, which is equal to C00 Already we have calculated in previous row. 0 plus C11. What is C11? It is also 0. Okay. So what is it? So which is nothing but here C01 is here 0. So what is the value of C01? So just C1's C of I, then K minus 1. K minus 1 is 0. So C00 is 0. Now see here another thing I missed, plus. So C of minimum of this plus we have to write W of ij. So again here plus W01. So minimum of this, okay, plus W01. What is W01? Which is nothing but 8. So 0 plus 8, which is nothing but 8. So C01 is 8. So for what value of K you have calculated C01? 1. K equal to 1. So what is R01? If both are not equal, K value is 1. So R01 is 1. Hope you understand, students, how to calculate the 0, 1 values. Okay. So now the next one is, so W01 we have calculated now. Next W12. So now we will erase this one. Then we will calculate W12, C12 and R12. Now W12. How to calculate W12? See this formula. W12 is W1 comma J minus 1. Again 1 plus P of J value is 2 plus Q of 2, which is W11. Already here we have calculated 3 plus P1, P2. P2 is 3 plus Q2. This is Q0, Q1, Q2, which is nothing but 1. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So what is W12? W12 is 7. Now R12 you will get after calculation of C12 only. So now we will calculate C12. C12 is, we will write from here. C12 is minimum of 1 less than K less than or equal to 2. What is the value of K? K value is 2. So minimum of C of I value is 1, K value 2 minus 1 plus C of K value 2, J value is also 2, minimum of plus Wij, that means W12, which is equal to, here only single value, no need to write this man. So C11, already we have calculated C11, C22 we have calculated, W12 we have calculated, which is nothing but 7. So C12 is also 7. Now what is R12? C12, for what value of K? C12 you have calculated 2. That's why R12 is 2. R12 is 2. Okay. So now coming to the next one, W23. Now, so W23, how to calculate W23? Right. So now W23 is see W I 2 J minus 1 2 plus P of J, that means 3 plus Q of J. W22 already you have calculated 1, it is P of 3, P1, P2, P3. It is 1. Q3, see here, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, again 1. So what is the value of W23? Here it is 3. What is C23? So now how to calculate C23? C23 is minimum of 2 less than K less than or equal to 3. Then C of I comma K minus 1. I value is 2, k minus 1. What is the value of k? K value is 3, k minus 1 is 2, plus C of kj, k value is 3, j value is 3, plus W 2 3. So C22, what is C22? Here you have already calculated 0 plus C33, already you have calculated 0. W23, what is W23? You have done. So 3. For what value of k you have calculated C23, 3. So R23 is also 3. Okay. So now next we have to calculate W34. Now how to calculate the W34? Yes. W34 equal to, this is I and this is J. So W of I value 3, comma, J minus 1, 3 plus P of 4 plus Q of 4. J value is 4 now. W33. W33 already you have calculated 1 plus P4 1, Q4 1, which is nothing but 3. So W34 is 3. Now C34, how to calculate C34? C34 is minimum of 3 less than k less than or equal to 4, C of I comma, what is the value of k? 4, I comma, k minus 1, 4 plus C of k 4, j 4 plus W, the same index 34. W34, what is W34? W34 already you have calculated. Oh, sorry, C34. C34, yeah, here we will get minus 1, na? C33. What is C33? Already we have calculated, it is 0, C44, already 0, W34 already we have calculated, which is nothing but 3. So C34 is 3. For what value of k you calculated C? So k value is 4. That's why here it is 4. Okay. So now how to calculate W02. So now move on to the next row. I'm erasing all these things. Right. Now W02 equal to W0 comma 1 plus P of 2 plus Q of 2. W01 here it is 8. R01 here we have not written. If you forget this one, so here what we will write? 0 less than, for this 0 less than k less than or equal to 1. K value is 1. So R01 is 1. So now 8 plus, what is P2? P2 is 3. What is Q2? It is 1. 8 plus 3, 11, which is nothing but 12. W02 is 12. Okay. So now C02 we have to calculate. C02 is a minimum of 0 less than k less than or equal to 2. Now what are the possible values of k? Yeah, this is different. Check. So k equal to 1 is one possibility. K is 2 is another possibility. Two values we have to calculate. From that you have to write a minimum plus W02. Then you will get the answer. Okay. So now first one is C of 0, comma, k assume it as 1. 1 minus 1 here it is 0 plus C of k value is 1, comma, j. What is the value of j? 2. Minimum of this and this. So I value is 0, k minus 1 means 1 plus C of kj. K value here it is 2, comma, j value here it is 2. C00 here it is a 0 plus C12. What is a C12? C12 is 7. So for k value 1 you got 7. For k value 2, C01 is 8. C22 C22 is 0. 7 or 8, which is minimum? 7 is minimum. So 7 plus. How did you get this 7? For what value of k you got 7? K equal to 1. Okay. 7 plus W02. What is W02? Here it is 12, which is nothing but 19. So here it is 19. What is the value of k? K value 1 or 2, both we have considered. But for what value of k you got the value less minimum value? 1. So that's why R02 is 1. Hope you understand this one. Okay. If you are unable to get, again move back the video and listen. Okay. So now go to the next one. Next calculation. I'm removing this. See. Right. So now the next one is W13. W13 is W of 1 comma J minus 1 2 plus P3 plus Q3. W12 already you have calculated. W12 7 plus P3. P3 is 1. Q3 is 1, which is nothing but 9. W13 is 9. Okay. Now C13. C13 here I will write. C13 is minimum of 1 less than k less than or equal to 3. That means k value equal to 2, 1 value you will get. K value 3, you will get 1 value. Minimum of these two you have to write. Okay. For this plus W13, you will get some value. That is your C13. So now how to write it? C of I 1, k value 2 I am writing, J minus 1 plus C of k comma J. K is 2, J value 3. This is for k equal to 2. Next k equal to 3. I value is 1. Next k minus 1 means 2 plus C of kj 3. Now C11 0 plus C23 3. C23 3. C12 7 plus C33 0. 3 7, which is minimum. This one is minimum. This is minimum. For what value of k it is? K equal to 2. Okay. So here it is 3 plus, what is W13? Already you have calculated W13. It is 9. So it is 12. C13 is 12. For what value of k you got it 12? 2. Likewise, you have to calculate for all this. Okay. So W24. In the same manner here you have to calculate. W24 you will get 5. You calculate it. So here also what you will get? 2 less than k less than or equal to 4. K value 3, k value 4 you will get to calculate this. For what value of k you got a minimum. That will become R24. For k value 3 you are getting minimum number. Next W03 is 14. Here how to calculate C03. So 0 less than k less than or equal to 3. K value 1. K value 2, K value 3. Again for what values you are getting? C cost the minimum. So that will become your R. That you are getting for K value 2. So and here the cost is 25. Then W14 you are getting 11. C14 you are getting 9. R14 for what? Here also same. 1 less than K less than or equal to 4. K value 2. 3, 4. For what value of k you are getting minimum? So 2. The last one. I'll calculate this last one. Okay. Because you will get more values now. Now W04, this one, W04 equal to W0 comma J minus 1, it is 3 plus P4 plus Q4. W03, what is W03? 14 plus P4, it is 1, Q4 it is 1, which is 16. Okay, next C04, how to calculate C04? Now see, here I will write the C04 equal to minimum of 0 less than k less than or equal to 4. That means k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to 3. See, 4 possible values you are getting. That's why I said that I will calculate. Place W04. Okay. So now see, C of I value 0, k value 1 I am writing 0 plus C of k value 1 and J, C14. Next, k value 2, C of I k minus 1. That means 1 plus C of k j. C of I k minus 1 plus C of 3, 4. C of 0, here it is 3 plus C of 4, 4. Now substitute the values. So for this we are getting C000 plus C14, where you are getting C14, 14, 14. Where is it? C14, here it is 19. Next C01, where is C01? 8 plus, where is C24? C24 is 8. Next C02, where is C02? It is 19 plus C34, 34, yeah, here it is 3. C03, where is C03? C03, here it is 25 plus C44 is 0. Now this is 19. Next one is 8 plus 8 is 16. 19 plus 3, 22. 25 plus 0. So which is minimum? 16 is minimum. Okay. So that is 16 plus W04 is 16, which is nothing but 32. So for what value of k it is? K value 2. So R04 is 2. Okay, likewise we have to represent the table, we have to calculate. Okay, so I think you understand the concept, how to calculate this, how to represent the table. If you have any doubt, again see the video once again. Okay, listen carefully. Parallelly you solve with me, then it is easy to calculate. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult. So okay, so now your second step is completed. So what is first step? First step is writing formula, and second step is constructing table, and the third step is construction of OBST. So how to construct OBST? So OBST you can construct from these values. We have to represent the tree. So how to represent it? So first the root node. So how to calculate it? How to write? Root node is R of 0 to 4. 0th position to how many keys are there? 4. Root, R is the root node. Now on left hand side you will get R of I comma. For this you will get some k na. This is I, this is j. For R of 04 you will get some k. Left hand side you will get like this is, assume this as I comma k minus 1, and for this right subtrace R of k comma j. I am explaining again how to represent the tree. R of ij equal to k. For some value you will get some value. So now left side is R of I comma k minus 1. Here you will get some value now, for that minus 1. R of kj. Okay, so now try to represent it. R of 04, R04. What is R04? R04. See here it is 2. That means the second k will become the root node. That means 20 is the root node. Actually, in a binary search tree, you can consider 10 may be a root node, 20 may be a root node, 30 may be a root node, 40 may be a root node. But OBST, optimal binary search trees, by considering 20 as the root node. If you understand this now, so now you got 2. Okay, so now 2 means here it is 20. Okay, I am representing 3 here. 20 you got here means on left side only 1 is there. 10 directly you can represent. Or otherwise R of I value 0, k minus 1 means 3. See R03, your R03, k minus 1. K value is, here it is 2 you got na. 2 minus 1, 1. R01. So what is R01? 1. First key. 10 is the root node. So here it is 1 you will get. First node. Okay. So now next one, R of kj. That means R of k value 2 you got. J is 4. R24. What is R24? See R24. It is 3. That means third key. Third key here it is 30. 3. So here you can represent 30. Obviously 40 where you will get? Without wasting time you can represent this one. This is your optimal binary search tree. So here I'm see mainly 3 steps here. One is just writing the formula, and the second one is represent this, and then so construct the table like this. Okay, R of ij, y04 I have considered. So from 0th position to 4th position, you will get some k value. Further from that k you start construction. If you have any doubts, students, please send me a message in the comment box. Please share with your friends so that they can learn. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.